In this video, we explain what Louisiana credit repair service bonds are and how insurance agents can efficiently obtain them for their customers. A credit repair service bond is a government required surety bond that protects the public from financial harm if the credit repair company fails to comply with licensing regulations. The limit on the Louisiana credit repair service bond is $100,000. The bond is required for all credit repair companies operating in the state and is regulated by the Louisiana Attorney General. Credit repair companies are required to purchase this bond as a prerequisite to obtaining a business registration. The bond costs between $1,000 to $12,500 per year and is determined based on factors such as the applicant's credit score and years of experience. To avoid claims made against their bond, credit repair companies must ensure that they do not falsely advertise and that they don't advise consumers to make false or misleading statements regarding their credit. Bond exchange makes obtaining surety bonds easy. Insurance agents need to simply log into their account and search our database to find their bond. Don't have a login? Then enroll now by going to bondexchange.com and clicking on that big blue Get a Login button, and let us help you satisfy your customers' needs.